also a great tool for welders to use to deburr whatever they're cutting, clean it up in a matter of seconds. I'll show you here.
It's that quick and easy. You need to take down an edge.
You've got the contact wheel on the side.
See how quickly I took that down? I'll show you take down that point there. Or you can do it on the flat and on the top. Free strap underneath there if you need to strip off some rust. Or the rubber contact wheel. See how quick and easy it was to strip that rust off there and shape the metal. It's a great tool for any metal fabricator or any welder. I have here an old sledgehammer that's totally corroded with rust. I worked on it a little bit with the different belts on the Multitool here. I'm going to show you here how I can strip some of that rust off here with the Multitool. Great tool for blacksmiths, welders, farriers. Let me show you here. I'll remove the rust right here on the rubber contact wheel. I've got a tracking lever right here. Pretty good belt. Turn that rust off. See, it's tearing that rust off there, but there's a lot of deep rust on this. Got a flatten on the top here you can work off of. You got the free strap underneath here you can work off of. You also have the disc on the side you can work off of. See how fast I pull that metal off. So I tore the deep rust off there, but I've left myself a lot of deep scratches. So what I'm going to do is go from that 40 grit abrasive belt to a 100 grit abrasive belt and take out those deep scratches. Now I'm going with the 100 grit belt from 3M, called aluminum zirconia. Great belt for working on metal. It's going to take those deep scratches out there and put a nice finish, fairly nice finish on there. And be ready for the metal finishing belt. See how nice and smooth it is working out that rubber contact wheel. And I'm taking those deep scratches out in a matter of several seconds here. Now I'm ready to go onto my metal finishing belt and put a nice finish on that. Easy belt change. This is the metal finishing belt again. Great for sharpening knives, cleaning up tools like I'm doing right now. I have this belt in a 220 grit and a 400 grit, but I'm going up to the 1200 grit right now to save time on this demo. But it'll still get a great finish on that rusty old sledgehammer. I put on there now with the 1200 grit Trizac belt. From that to that in 3 belts in about 3 minutes time.
With the Multitool, you can see what I was able to do with this rusty old sledgehammer and clean it up that quickly. With the Multitool, you have the ability to clean up your tools. If you're a farmer or a rancher, you have tools in the shop that are dirty and rusty, you can clean them up in matters of minutes, get them back to looking like new, even better than new. You can sharpen knives, you can sharpen lawnmower blades, anything that has an edge on it, you can put a nice edge on with the Multitool. So please give us a call, we'll take a look at our website, and we'll be glad to take care of you.